Hey guys, it's me, Rosa Padilla, and for today's video, I will be doing a self-tie wrap crop top. I saw this top at SHEIN and it looks sexy and cute, so I decided to make it using my white t-shirt. It's easy and simple to make, so if you were interested in how I made it, just please keep on watching. For the length of the top, I measure 50 cm and cut the excess fabric. After that, I fold the shirt in half and cut the front of the fabric. But actually, I realized you don't need to cut it, just make a mark on it so you will know that it's the center of the shirt. From the top to bottom, make a V pattern and cut. Since my t-shirt is a little bit bigger to me, I stitch for about 2 cm on both sides. But you can skip this step if the size of your shirt is already fit on you. Measure 10 cm on the back of the shirt and connect in front and cut. Using the excess fabric, measure 3 cm. So while browsing on TikTok, I saw this hack and it's really helpful for me. That's why I want to share it with you guys. Measure again 3 cm and stitch on the bottom part of the shirt. I will just stitch the sleeves and we're done! So that's it guys, I hope you learned and liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you!